Hey, welcome back to the video. I'm excited to show what we can do with ChatGPT. Now, last time we talked about creating the GPTs and how we could upload our personnel manual, our employee handbook, our city policies, and create a GPT based on those city policies. Well, today I'm going to show you something else we can do. It's kind of along the same lines of policies and whatnot, but we're going to go a different direction. We're talking about training and how we can really revolutionize the way we do training and tailor it specifically to our personnel manuals and to our policies. Before we get started, please hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate the support again. I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. Hope you enjoyed all the turkey and stuffing and pumpkin pie that your heart can handle. And let's get started right away in this video. So what we're going to do first is we're going to upload this personnel manual from the city of Nogales. And first I'm going to say, please provide a brief summary. And this is just to kind of help ChatGPT know what this is. And then we're going to get further into the weeds of this thing. I'm going to pull a couple key sections of this policy that I think might be important for a training. For this training, we're going to do a new employee orientation training. Okay, it's finished with the quick summary of it. It's going to provide this to us, talking about the authority and intent. Different sections here kind of go through the list of what these different things are within the personnel manual for the city of Nogales. All right, so the summary captures the essence of the manual's contents, which are designed to govern various aspects of employment and conduct within the city of Nogales. So now I'm going to say is, great, I want to create a new employee orientation training from this manual. I specifically want to highlight, let's talk about PTO, which is vacation, if I could spell vacation, sick, bereavement, etc., leave. And let's go over here. I'm going to look at my personnel manual quick, the table of contents. Maybe we should talk about discrimination, harassment. Let's also look at standards of conduct, responsibilities, and obligations. We'll just highlight these couple key factors or key sections within the personnel manual. So talking about standards of conduct, responsibilities, and obligations. And I'm going to copy this over here as well as discrimination and harassment. Okay, so the ChatGPT is getting to work now, and it's probably just going to focus on these specific ones. Obviously, within a new employee orientation, we might want to provide a more comprehensive overview. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm simplifying it. We could always get as granular and specific as we need to, depending what's appropriate for the training we're about to do, right? Maybe our training is different. Maybe we have a separate training for new supervisors that are coming into the organization. It's different from new employee orientation, or maybe one department has it a little different. We want to focus on one set of policies versus another department. I don't know, whatever you want to do, you can change it and tailor it specific to what you want to have happen here. I also want to show you something too we can do. When ChatGPT incorporated all these different things together, all the different facts, different chat facets that they had, right? Before they used to have a separate chat for web browsing. They had a separate chat for document uploading, had a separate chat for Dolly and the image generation. Well, now that's all combined together. So when we do now, I'm going to say here, I think I should add a little about the history of Nogales. Can we do that using the info from this site? And this site is from the City of Nogales website, their history section about the City of Nogales. And so this will allow us to kind of incorporate that. It's really important. We come into a new city, new organization. You want to know a little bit about the history and about why people are proud to live there, why people are excited and have that history of living and working in that city. Here we go. It's going to provide this brief history here. This historical overview highlights the city's rich cultural heritage, providing new employees with a deeper understanding of their workplace's context. So this is great. Now let's combine the history and the policies we discussed earlier together. I know I misspelled policies, apologize for that. So here we go. Here's a rich history and a commitment to excellence. Welcome to the City of Nogales. Historical background, important personnel policies, our commitment. So here's just a quick overview. And again, we could obviously go into more depth of this too. We can say, okay, this is great. Let's create the slideshow for this. I'm going to say the slideshow outline for this training. You're going to give a brief description, maybe some image of walnut trees or historical maps. Here we go. Again, just a quick and easy way to do this. And then say, well, okay, I don't have any pictures of walnut trees. We can say, create an image of walnut trees. And again, what I'm showing you here is how all these different features of ChatGPT are now integrated into one comprehensive chat function. All right, so here's an AI image of walnut trees. We could obviously use this. We could copy this right here, right click, copy image, or save image as, whatever we want to do. And there we have it. There is our image we can incorporate into the slide deck. So that's how easy it is to create and update our new employee orientation. So say we look at this and say, let's talk about this right here, right? So let's say we're back at a personnel manual, and let's say that the discipline section was just added. Right? So let's say, okay, we just added a new policy on discipline, this new section on discipline to our policy and our personnel manual. So let's go like this. The discipline section is new. I need to update the Neo to add this to our outline. So read the documents again. Again, this is just how simple and how easy it is to be able to quickly incorporate additional changes or tweaks. We're always making tweaks to our policies and making sure it reflects what we want to be as an organization and the direction we want to go. And so this is a really great way to be able to take those different policies and the nuances with it and to quickly update our ancillary trainings and the ways we approach this and ways we talk about this with our staff and incorporate that through maybe some role playing. We could add role playing ideas to this too as well. Just a phenomenal tool to be able to really augment our training and to take things to the next level. So here we have it. Talks about some additional slides here. It's going to combine this. It's going to add a number of slides for this. Obviously, if we wanted to, we can condense some things together, depending on what's appropriate, how much time we want to spend on each topic. It's going to be determined how many slides we want to have. I just think this is just a phenomenal way in which we can take our personnel manual, take our city website, and create trainings that are unique and specific to our organization. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, like I said before, please like and subscribe to this channel. Really appreciate the support. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Hope you enjoy and have a great rest of this week. Thank you.